गोंयांत मंगळारा दीस आनीक 29 नवीन कोवीड दुयेंतींची नोंद जाल्या. आयज मेरेन गोंयांत मेळिल्ल्या कोवीड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो आतां 359चेर पावला. तातूंतल्यान 292 जाणांचेर इस्पितळांत उपचार चालू आसात. मंगळारा दीस मेळिल्ले 29 कोवीड दुयेंतींतले 22 दुयेंती मांगूर हिल वास्को आनी 70 रावपी 10 भलायकी खात्यांत काम करपी कामगारांचोय आस्पाव आसा. जाल्यार 7 दुयेंती गोंया भायल्यान महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका आनी दिल्लीच्यान आयिल्ल्या प्रवाशांचो आस्पाव आशिल्ल्याची म्हायती भलायकी खात्याची सचीव नीला मोहननान दिल्या.
We have 29 new cases, 22 of them are linked to Mangur Hills. We have 5 positive cases of travellers by road, 4 from Maharashtra and 1 from Karnataka, and of 2 travellers from train, 1 from Aurangabad and 1 from Delhi. Our number of active cases now is 292. 292 is what my team has given me. Is there a discrepancy with yesterday's data? I'll check that. I'll come back to that when tourism department is talking. I'll confirm on that number. Samples which were sent for the testing today are 1,828. We received 1,700 results and 1,089 results are awaited. Today we had an inspection of Mangur Hills. It was led by our Chief Secretary and Chief Secretary sir was accompanied by our IGP as well as myself and Collector North. The Deputy Collector and the local administration team was also there. We visited Mangur Hill. We inspected the arrangements made by the district administration as well as the police to maintain the containment zone, and we also inspected the facilities made for the OPD services for the public of Mangur. We interacted with persons from Mangur Hills and we listened to a couple of suggestions and feedback that they had. For instance, just to share with you, they wanted extension of the OPD hours. So as of now we were doing the OPD for 2 hours. So immediately upon receiving their request, the Chief Secretary has directed that we will have OPD from for 3 hours. Actually, we will start at 10 o'clock and take it on till 1 o'clock. Even though we have been maintaining 2 hours, it has always spilled to around 2 hours 15 minutes or 2.5 hours. But yes, since there is a felt need by the public of Mangur that we need to extend the OPD hours, we will be extending the hours from tomorrow onwards. There were also requests that certain medicines need to be supplied to the people for their regular routine medication. So we have asked them, the volunteers in the area are quite active. We have requested them to prepare a list and share it with the local administration, and we will be making the necessary provisions. Let me just clarify there, these 22 cases are not from Mangur. They are linked to Mangur. Yes, it includes the healthcare workers because the healthcare workers are all those who worked in the Mangur area. We had an interaction with the public, as I mentioned to you, and we did listen to their grievances.
They complained about the essential commodities.
Yes. Now that I wouldn't even term it as a complaint, because what they wanted were the shops to open up. Now naturally in a containment zone we cannot have the grocery shops opening, and we told them that whatever requirement they have, they should note it down and hand it over to the local administration. The collector assured that by 4 o'clock the rations would reach there. At 4 sharp the rations reached. I understand that some people refused to take the rations. So whatever are their needs, their ration needs, their daily commodities, all of that is being taken care of. But their demand was that the shop should be allowed to function. Now, and this was in the buffer zone, not exactly in the containment zone. It was within Mangur Hill, but within the buffer zone. We didn't find any logic in accepting that request that the shop should be open. We conveyed to them that it is not at all something that can be agreed upon, but the collector assured them that the rations would be available to them by 4 p.m. and at 4 p.m. sharp the rations have been delivered. Some people have taken them, some people have not taken them.
मांगूर हिल वाठारांत कोवीड दुयेंती मेळिल्लो तेन्ना दोतोरूय पयले चांचणेन कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह मेळिल्लो. उपरांत ताका दुयेंत नाशिल्ल्याचें जाहीर केल्लें आनी आतां तोच दोतोर परतून कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळा. त्या संबंदान चवकशी करून कारवाय जातली अशें सचीव नीला मोहननान सांगलां.
Initially who had tested the negative is tested positive today, and second thing, the complaints that he had prescribed them allopathic medicine. He is a homeopathic medicine. Is any action being initiated against him?
You're right about the first aspect that you mentioned, that he has been tested positive today. He was in our quarantine ever since the first day when we took him for the test, and he and his family were in our quarantine facility. We wanted to repeat his test, that is why we repeated it today, and we found him positive. Now, regarding action, there is an inquiry, as Honorable CM had also mentioned yesterday. There is an inquiry underway, and we will be taking necessary action accordingly.